Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we are making jasmine rice in the Instant Pot, and honestly it could not be easier. Like, this is one of those set it and forget it kind of wins that make you feel like you totally have your life together, even if there are dishes in the sink and socks on the floor. It's fluffy, it's fragrant, and it's perfect for meal prep or just feeding your hungry crew without standing over the stove. Let's do this the easy way because life is messy but dinner doesn't have to be. Ingredients: 1 cup jasmine rice, white long grain, 1 cup water or broth for more flavor, 1/2 teaspoon salt, optional. Let's get cooking. Rinse the rice. Place the jasmine rice in a fine mesh strainer and rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch and keeps the rice from getting gummy. Add ingredients to the Instant Pot. Add the rinsed rice, water or broth, salt and oil or vegan butter to the Instant Pot. Pressure cook. Close the lid and set the valve to sealing. Press the pressure cook or manual button and set the time for 4 minutes on high pressure. Natural release. After the cooking time ends, let the pressure naturally release for 10 minutes. Then turn the valve to venting to release any remaining pressure. Fluff and serve. Carefully remove the lid, fluff the rice with a fork and serve. You can double or triple the recipe. Just keep the 1:1 rice to liquid ratio. Store leftovers in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze in portions for easy meal prep. And that's it. Easy, delicious jasmine rice made right in the Instant Pot without any fuss. I hope this little kitchen shortcut helps make your day a tiny bit simpler because we all need those wins, right? You can find a link to the full written instructions down in the description. Life's a little messy but we're learning as we go, and we're eating good along the way. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down, and if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow, so get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.